You know, I was here when Governor Amosu became governor. I was here when Governor Daniel was governor. I actually ran against Governor Daniel then. As soon as he emerged in his primaries, I was one of the first to congratulate him. And I gave him all my structure. I delivered to him and I supported him. You know, and we know what we've done for each other over the years. I know what my relationship with Daniel was when I assumed office, you know, and how I held his hand to ensure that he was integrated back into the party. You know, and these are facts. These are facts. I know what I did for Governor Daniel to become a senator. I've never said this publicly. And I'm saying it now. I know what I did for him to emerge as senator. You know, Chairman is here. Senator Mustafa, they are here. They were the front runners in that election. You know, I know what my intervention was to get them to step down for him to emerge as senator. We entrusted it to him. If Governor Daniel now believes that the only way to repay me is to be sponsoring negative media attacks against me, I leave him to his conscience.